Alright, so if you need to sign a PDF but don't want to print, sign, and scan it again, yeah, there's a much easier way. With Smallpdf, you can add your signature directly to any PDF in seconds. So in 2026, let's go step by step and sign your document online. First, open your browser and go to the Smallpdf website. You'll see different tools for working with PDF files. Now click on the Sign PDF tool. This lets you create and add signatures to your documents. Next, upload your PDF file. You can drag and drop it or select it from your device. Now click on Add Signature. You can draw your signature, type it, or upload an image. Once your signature is ready, drag it to the correct position in the document, resize and adjust it as needed. You can also add text like date or name if needed. This helps complete forms quickly. When everything looks good, click Apply to save your signed document. Now download your signed PDF file. It's ready to send or upload anywhere. So yeah, that's how to add a signature to a PDF using Smallpdf in 2026. No printing, no scanning, just fast and simple digital signing.